The world holds many secrets. Some are hidden in deep forests, others are found on the highest mountains. But the greatest secrets are kept by the ocean. It is a world of blue wonder, a world of incredible life. I have spent my life exploring this world, and honestly, I have seen things that take your breath away. I want to take you to one of these special places. It is a place where the ocean feels most alive. Imagine a kingdom, not of land, but of water. This kingdom is called Raja Ampat. It is a treasure hidden in a far corner of our planet, a place that reminds us of the magic that still exists beneath the surface of the sea. This magical place is in Indonesia. It is part of a larger area called the Coral Triangle. Think of the Coral Triangle as the heart of the world's oceans. It is where the pulse of marine life is strongest. Raja Ampat is a collection of islands. There are over 1,500 small islands, cays and shoals. They are scattered like emerald jewels in a turquoise sea. The name Raja Ampat means the four kings. This name comes from an old local legend. The story tells of a woman who found 7 eggs. 4 of these eggs hatched into kings. These kings ruled over 4 of the main islands, Waigeo, Batanta, Salawati, and Misul. These islands are not just land masses. They are the guardians of the incredible biodiversity below. The waters surrounding them are a maze of channels, bays, and hidden lagoons. This complex geography creates many different habitats. Why is this one place so full of life? What is its secret? The answer lies in its location. Raja Ampat sits at a crossroads. It is where the Pacific Ocean meets the Indian Ocean. This meeting creates a powerful mix. Huge volumes of water flow through the islands. These currents are like great rivers in the sea. They carry with them a rich soup of nutrients. These nutrients are the building blocks of life. They feed the smallest creatures, like plankton. And plankton is the foundation of the entire marine food web. Where there is plankton, there is life in abundance. This constant flow of nutrient-rich water is like a lifeline. It fuels the growth of corals. It attracts schools of fish. It supports a web of life that is more complex and diverse than almost anywhere else on Earth. Scientists call this area the epicenter of marine biodiversity. That is a scientific way of saying it is the richest place in the ocean. Corals are the architects of the ocean. They are not rocks, they are not plants, they are tiny animals. These animals, called polyps, build hard skeletons around themselves. Over thousands of years, these skeletons build up to form massive structures. We call these structures coral reefs. Coral reefs are like cities in the sea. They provide homes, food, and protection for countless other creatures. In Raja Ampat, the coral diversity is simply astonishing. Scientists have counted nearly 600 different species of hard coral here. That is about 75% of all the coral species known to science. You can see huge table corals stretching out like giant platters. You can see delicate branching corals that look like trees. There are massive brain corals with patterns that resemble a human brain. There are soft corals that sway gently in the current, in shades of pink, purple, and orange. What makes these coral reefs so special is their health. In many parts of the world, coral reefs are struggling. But in Raja Ampat, the reefs are remarkably resilient. The strong currents help to keep the water temperatures stable. They are a shining example of what a healthy reef should look like, a vibrant tapestry of life that seems to glow from within. Where there are healthy corals, there are fish. Lots and lots of fish. The reefs of Raja Ampat are home to an incredible variety of fish species. Over 1,700 different kinds of reef fish have been recorded here. On a single dive, you can see more species of fish than you might see in hundreds of dives elsewhere. It is a spectacle of color, shape, and movement. Schools of fusiliers with their bright yellow and blue stripes flow over the reef like rivers of confetti. They move as one, a shimmering cloud that parts and reforms around you as you swim through them. You will see fish of every size and description. There are the familiar and beautiful clownfish, peeking out from the protective tentacles of their anemone homes. There are angelfish and butterfly fish, painted with intricate patterns and brilliant colors, flitting elegantly among the corals. Look closely and you will find the masters of camouflage. The food chain is on full display. You can see tiny cleaner wrasse setting up cleaning stations. You might see a group of jacks hunting in a coordinated attack, herding smaller bait fish into a tight ball. It is a world of predators and prey, of cooperation and competition. This abundance of fish is a clear sign of a healthy ecosystem. While the small, colorful fish are captivating, Raja Ampat is also a realm of giants. One of the most iconic residents of these waters is the manta ray. These are not just fish, they are gentle giants. With wingspans that can reach over 5 meters, they glide through the water with effortless grace. There are special places called cleaning stations. These are specific spots on the reef where small fish gather to clean larger animals. This provides a unique opportunity for divers to observe them up close. You can watch them for long periods, mesmerized by their calm demeanor. They are curious creatures and will often circle divers, observing them as much as we observe them. The giants do not stop with manta rays. Several species of sea turtles also call Raja Ampat home. You can see green turtles and hawksbill turtles munching on sponges and seagrass. They paddle slowly through the water, ancient mariners on a timeless journey. Seeing a turtle on a reef is always a special moment. And then there are the sharks. Sharks are not the monsters people imagine. They are essential to the health of the ocean. As top predators, they keep other fish populations in check, maintaining the balance of the reef. If you are lucky, you might spot the strange and wonderful wobbegong shark. This is a type of carpet shark that lies perfectly camouflaged on the sea floor. Raja Ampat may seem like a pristine and untouched paradise. For now, it largely is. But no place on Earth is completely safe from human impact. This fragile kingdom faces threats, both near and far. The world is changing. Our planet is getting warmer. The oceans are absorbing much of this extra heat. This leads to rising sea temperatures, which is the primary cause of coral bleaching. Even in the resilient reefs of Raja Ampat, the danger of widespread bleaching is real. Another global threat is ocean acidification. As we burn fossil fuels, we release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The ocean absorbs about a quarter of this carbon dioxide. This changes the chemistry of the seawater, making it more acidic. Over time, ocean acidification could dissolve the very reefs we cherish. Closer to home, there are more direct pressures. As Raja Ampat becomes more famous, more tourists want to visit. Destructive fishing practices, though less common here than in other parts of the world, are still a concern. Thankfully, local communities, conservation groups, and the Indonesian government are working together. Protecting a place like Raja Ampat is not just about saving beautiful fish and corals. It is about protecting the health of our entire planet. The ocean is the life support system for Earth. It produces more than half of the oxygen we breathe. It regulates our climate. Raja Ampat, as the heart of marine biodiversity, is a critical part of this system. The efforts to conserve this area are a model for the world. The creation of a large network of marine protected areas is a key strategy. These MPAs are managed in partnership with the local communities who have lived here for generations. Education is another vital tool. When people understand how special this place is, they are more likely to care for it. Every diver and tourist who comes to Raja Ampat has a responsibility to be a good guest. The success of conservation in Raja Ampat gives us hope. It shows that when people work together, we can make a difference. We need to make a promise to this blue heart of the planet. A promise that we will be its advocates, its defenders, and its voice. Everything is connected. The health of the ocean in Raja Ampat is connected to the actions we take in our own lives, no matter how far away we live from the sea. You do not have to be a scientist or a diver to be an ocean hero. You can start today in your own home. Every small action, when multiplied by millions of people, can create a powerful wave of change. Think of the ocean as your own backyard. The ocean is the backyard for all of humanity. It belongs to all of us, and to all the generations that will come after us. We have a shared responsibility to be good stewards of this incredible blue world. The next time you see the ocean, remember the hidden kingdom of Raja Ampat. Remember the dance of the fish, the grace of the mantas, and the vibrant coral gardens. Remember that this magic is real, but it is also fragile. Let it inspire you. Let it fill you with wonder, and let it move you to act. The ocean is calling to us. It is time for all of us to answer. For in the end, we will conserve only what we love, and we can only love what we understand. Let us all work to understand and love our blue planet.